You got two lines going this way.
Oh no, no, take that back. I take that back. That's a different situation.
Something not fully on, man. It ain't nothing clogged. What's happening is when ain't nothing running, and by being such a big domestic coming inside of this building, it's filling up that pipe and it's giving it pressure on the system until you start using it. You see what I'm saying? So once you start using the system, that's when it start declining in pressure. You know what I mean? So it ain't no that's gonna shut off in a minute. That's about to shut down. You gotta cut that back off. It ain't no it ain't nothing clogged in this building. It ain't nothing clogged up. That valve still, one of the valves is still off. Something is not all the way on. Something ain't full ported. It's definitely something ain't full ported. Because that toilet just was flushing great. You getting your proper pressure. I mean, not your proper pressure, but you getting the proper usage of it when it's not used, when it's not being used. So it's got to build it up. And then once it builds up that pressure, and you start this is what I'm gonna suggest. Now, this is what I'm gonna suggest. See, and then this still trying to go. Oh, that's over there. And then this right here. Take this apart right here.
What's that?
You're gonna have to take this. You already took it apart because it's dripping.
No, I ain't taking it apart.
That ain't no drip. That is a drip, ain't it?
Shouldn't be the valve closed. Well, I mean, I touched it. I ain't put no pressure on it.
All right, let's take that off of there right quick. Set up what you was about to set up.